Okay, for today's video, we have to construct a triangle with sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. So we're going to draw a triangle that looks something like this. A there, B, C, and we usually have the longest side on the bottom. It doesn't matter about these two. There. So, in order to do this, we start with a ruler. We're going to give ourselves some room, and we draw in the longest side as the base. So, from 0 to 6, there, and we can label that 6. Now, to draw a length of 4 centimeters, we have to take our compasses, measure with our pencil to 4 centimeters. We can then place that on a line and draw an arc like that, and then to construct a side 5 centimeters, measure out on the ruler, place the point on the end of our line, draw an arc. Where those 2 points meet, we can use our ruler there, and we just join it up there, and there we go, join it up there. Okay, so I can label that 5 centimeters and that one 4 centimeters. Okay, slightly trickier now. So we've been asked to construct a triangle ABC. So if I draw a triangle ABC, A, that vertex, B, C. A to B is 6 centimeters. B to C is 5 centimeters. I don't know the length of A to C, but I do know that angle ABC is 55 degrees. So A, B and C, the middle of the journey is where the angle goes. So this angle here will be 55 degrees. So, like before, we're going to draw a line there, 6 centimeters. So this is A to B there. So I can label that point there, and I can label that point there, and that is 6 centimeters. Excuse my wobbly handwriting. Now, I need my angle measurer or protractor. So what I need to do is put the crosshairs of the protractor at the end of my line and ensure this line here runs straight down the line that I've drawn. Now on this one I can see that I've started at 180, so I know that must be wrong. So oops, I can turn it over again, put the crosshairs at the end of the line. Now I've got 0, so it needs to be 55 degrees. So I always start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 55 degrees. Put a mark. Wonderful. Now I need to just draw a faint line down there. And we know now, looking at this, that B to C is 5 centimeters. So I'm going to measure 5 centimeters, which is, do it nice and straight, very helpful. There's 5, and now I can join up that line to that line. There's angle C, that is 55 degrees, and B to C is 5 centimeters. Okay, so we have the draw it out in rough first, mark on our vertices. We're drawn on the longest line first, and then I've used my protractor to measure my angle, and I've drawn in my next side, and all I've done then is join up the last vertices together. Okay, so that's a quick guide on how to construct triangles. Obviously, I want you to have a go. So, if I turn this camera around, choose from one of these. Oh, let me just move that out there. So, first one, construct a triangle with sides 5, 6 and 7 centimeters. Or you can choose the second one, construct a triangle with sides A to B5, A to C5, and then an angle of 40 degrees around point A. Or the extension is, if we can get that in, construct a triangle where you know the length of only one side. So you've got two angles there and the length of one side. That's a bit harder, but if you just follow the same rules that we've applied before, you can give it a go. Now you can hand this in to me on paper, or you can film yourself doing it on your phone, a bit wobbly like mine, and you can reply to this online if you like. Good luck.